All right, guys, so now I am on the second page or the back, or just depends on how you're doing it, I guess. A discount is the amount that the price has decreased. So go ahead and zoom in a little bit, okay? Discount is the amount that the price is decreased, okay? The original cost of a shirt at the store is $32. The store is having a 25% off sale. Yes, love shopping sales. What is the new cost of the shirt? So you are finding 25% off of $32. Okay, so just like we did with the markup notes, you're going to go ahead and set up your proportion. Okay, so we have the percent out of 100. Okay, that's staying the same. So this is the amount that is being discounted over the original cost. Okay, so our problem tells us that there is a 25% off sale and that the price of the shirt is $32. Okay, so we can keep the same units together, okay, and we can cross multiply. That's completely fine. Okay, so we are going to keep the same units together. Ooh, did I turn that too much? I'm sorry. There. Cross multiply, and then you will solve by dividing. Miss Brown's having a hard time today. All right, so that would give you 100x is equal to 32 times 25. Okay, 32 times 25 is 800. And you would divide both sides by 100. X would be by itself. 800 divided by 100 would be $8. Okay, so the discount is $8. We could have also, if we did not want to do the cross multiplication, we could have also gone here, okay, and said that 25 and 100 are both divisible by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. And then it's very easy to see 32 times, 4 times 8 would give you 32. And 1 times 8 is $8. Okay? So either one of those ways to solve would work. You can either cross multiply or you can simplify and look for a relationship that you know. But let's talk about how we determine what the sale price would be. So the original price minus the discount is going to give you the selling price. Okay? So in this case, the sale price, the price of the shirt was $32 minus the $8 discount, and 32 minus 8 is going to give us $24. So the price that you would pay at that store on sale day is $24. All right, there are 2 additional problems at the bottom of your paper. So what I would like for you to do is to go ahead and pause the video right now, try to do the 2 problems at the bottom of your paper, and then come back and check your answers. So, pause your video, try to work them out, come back, check your answers. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm going to go ahead and set up my proportion for this last number 1. Let me try to get everything all acquainted. All right, here we go. The store is having a 30% off sale on sweaters. The original store price of the sweater you want to buy is $75. How much will you save? How much will you pay for the sweater with the discount? Okay, so we know that percents are on the right-hand side. Percents are out of 100. There is a 30% off sale that is happening. And the original price of that sweater is $75. Okay? We want to know how much you're going to save. Okay, so you want to know what the discount is. And how much will you pay for the sweater with the discount. Okay, so we're solving for X. So you can do one of two things. You can cross multiply, and that would give you 100X is equal to 75 times 30. Or we could try to simplify and try to see if we can find a relationship that we might know, whatever's easier for you. I know that 30 and 10, or 30 and 100 are both divisible by 10. So that becomes 3 tenths, because 30 divided by 10 is 3, and 100 divided by 10 is 10. And then I know that 10 times 7.5 would give me 75. So 3 times 7.5 would give me $22.50. So $22.50 is our discount. Okay, and then the price that we're paying for the sweater, it was $75 minus the $22.50 discount. So we would pay $52.50 for the sweater. So those are our two answers. $52.50 would be the price that we pay. $22.50 would be the 30% off discount. All right, let's look at number 2. Marcy saved $21.60 when she purchased a sweater on sale. If the sale price was 60% off the regular price, what was the regular price of the sweater? All right, so we're going to have to be a little bit more careful this time. They're trying to trick us. So we have percents over 100. And remember, this is my original price. I'm just going to put original with the dollar sign. You'll know what that means, original price. Okay. This is going to be the discounted price. Okay. So Marcy saved $21.60 when she purchased the sweater on sale. So that $21.60 is not my original price. I'm sorry. Scoot it over. My discount over my original. According to my problem, I'm going to try to get it all on here. Zoom out a little. Hang on. Sorry. All right, so here we go. My discount, my original price, the sale price is $21.60. If the sale price was 60% off, so the 60 is going to go over the 100, because percents are always together, we want to know what the regular price of the sweater was. So this time we're solving for the original price. All right, so again, we can do a couple of things. We can cross multiply. We can do 60x is equal to 100 times $21.60. Or we can try to simplify, so our numbers are going to be a little bit smaller. I know that both of these numbers are divisible by 10, so this becomes 60 divided by 10 is 6, and 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay, and then in order to get from 6 to $21.60, I am going to multiply by $3.60, and I would do the same thing down at the bottom. 10 times $3.60 is going to give me $36. So the original price of the sweater was $36. Okay? All right, guys, so these two notes have helped us be ready to solve markup and discount problems. So you have done awesome today. If anything is still confusing, please make sure that you come see me at a tutorial session. But otherwise, you are ready to go with markup and discount notes. Good job.